You should care about the website. Yeah, obviously you have some question. Why I get less visitors and how to get more visitors? And obviously at last how to get more money from the website. I just will talk about how can you get more visitors and then obviously you can get more money from the website. Before I start this, I just inform you, if you want to learn Python and web development with Django, then you can follow our channel. If you want to learn Python programming language and projects in Python, then obviously you should follow our channel. At first you have to visit our channel, then you can better decide to do subscribe our channel or not. So let's start. At first, loading time is really matters. Yes, it matters. You click on a website and the website is loading and loading. Then what will you do then? You will just get out of the site and visit another site provided by Google search engine. So let's see an example here. So here is a company and you are the manager of the company and you have to select some employees. Here some employees are very slow to work. That means some employees are less efficient. So tell me, which employee do you select? Here is an employee who can do the work faster than others. Obviously you select this employee because this employee do the same work faster than others. Similarly, search engine will provide those websites who can show their data as faster than others. And you will prefer those websites who can show their data faster than others. Obviously the data will be true. Now you can get your answer. In the world of internet, the search engine will prefer whom. So next, how to decrease website loading speed. So always go for VPS hosting. I always recommend you always go for VPS hosting. If you have shared hosting, then obviously it's okay, but always go for VPS hosting. If you have shared hosting, then you can do decrease the file size, decrease the image file size and decrease the video file size. If you have lot of plugins, then just delete the useless plugins. It will increase the loading speed of the website. And do not use extra CSS or JavaScript code. It will also increase the loading speed of your web page. And don't use the heavy animation on your web page. It will obviously increase the loading speed of your website. So come to the next point. Is your website mobile friendly? If not, you have to create the website for mobile friendly. 57% of all online traffic come from smartphone and tablets. If you don't optimize your website for mobile, it won't load properly and mobile user will stop visiting your website obviously. So here is a result. What percent of internet traffic from mobile? So mobile accounts the half of the web traffic worldwide and it increasing obviously. In the first quarter of 2021, mobile devices generated 54.8% of global website traffic and consistently hovering around 15% marks the since the beginning of 2017. Obviously it is increasing day by day. So I always recommended you always create responsive website for computer and for mobile, and your website should be mobile friendly. Remember it, this is a very important point. Now come to the next point. Do you research the keyword before making the content? A keyword is a phrase which people enter into the search engine and if you want your website to rank better in the search engine, you definitely need research the right keyword. You have to find out the targeted keyword for every page of your website, and that makes your website or web page perfect. So here is a lot of tools. You can use the Google Keyword Planner. Just simple search for Google Keyword Planner and just go to the website, and You have to create a account into the Google Ads. If you have this, then just go to the website, and here is the choosing the right keyword to use. So just click on this and now go to the keyword planner, and here is get search volume and forecast. So here just type the keyword. I just type Python programming and now get started. So here your request can't complete right now. Click to reload. Okay, so now you can see the Python programming average monthly search 10k to 100k, and competition of this keyword is low, and you can see the all of these things. Okay, so now come to the next point, make it eye-catching. You should always create your website eye-catching. People love to visit a website again and again when it is eye-catching, obviously when it is properly designed and well managed. So you should definitely try to make the best possible design you can make, and also take care that everything else on your website is properly integrated like JavaScript or CSS, and don't use extra CSS or JavaScript code. That will increase the loading speed of your web page. If you properly do eye-catching, that will make your audience feel good, and you will definitely get more returning visitors on your website. I just found this on Google. You can see this is a better looking website, and this is very eye-catching website, and this also responsive website for mobile and the computer and laptop and tablet. And now come to the most important point. Content is everything. You should focus on your content. Post only relevant contents and make it updated. Content is king. Remember, content is king. Your content leads you success. You have to make extraordinary content for your audience. If you make amazing content, then your audience will increase day by day. You know the quality matters more than the quantity. Remember always, the quality matters more than the quantity. And yeah, it's important. Just always create quality and relevant content for your website. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Be Learning Club. Support our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.